Are you the leader of a student group looking for a way to manage interactions with your alumni members? Are you the CEO of a nonprofit looking for a way to increase the ROI of your fundraising campaigns? If so, you might be interested to know a free open source tool can revolutionize the way you engage and interact with your members. Introducing CiviCRM. CiviCRM is a free open source member management tool designed specifically for nonprofits to help them engage and interact with their members. CiviCRM has a number of built-in modules to help accomplish this task, including a member records module, a contributions module, an event module, a mailing module, and a reporting module to help track all of the above. Let's take a look at a few parts of a CiviCRM installation and explore how these modules can work together in practice with a website. Once CiviCRM is installed, you'll be given a user account so you can log in. Enter your username and password, and you'll be taken to the admin screen. If you click the CiviCRM link, you will see the CiviCRM dashboard. Along the top, you will notice a number of different options. These options correspond to the different CiviCRM modules: members, contributions, events, mailings, and reports. CiviMember. The membership and contacts areas associated with CiviMember are the heart of CiviCRM. These member and contacts areas allow you to view and manage your members and contact database. Clicking Members, you can search your members, add members, and even import members from an existing list or database. The dashboard shows a summary of your member records. To add a member, click New Membership. From here, you can enter all the information associated with your new member, including any member classification you might have. To import members from an existing source, click Import Members. The Import Members tool will take you through a series of steps to import member data from another source and verify the data was imported successfully. Under Contacts, you can add individual or organization contacts, add activities for your members, add groups, tags, as well as import contacts and activities. To add an individual contact, click New Individual and then select the type from the drop-down list. There are a number of different types of information you can add to make your database as detailed as you need it to be. To add an organization contact, click New Organization, then select the type from the drop-down menu. Like individuals, you have a number of different options and can make your records as detailed as you need them to be. Adding activities, groups, and tags function the same way. To import contacts from another source, click Import Contacts. The Import tool will guide you through a series of steps to import contact data from another source and verify the data was imported successfully. CiviContribute. Tracking and managing contributions is another important concern for nonprofits. CiviContribute offers an easy way to connect member record management with contribution tracking. Clicking Contributions takes you to the contribution dashboard, which shows you a summary of your contribution records. From here, you can add contribution records and pledges, find existing contributions, and import existing contribution records. To add a new contribution, click New. Then enter the appropriate information. To add a pledge, click New Pledge, then enter the appropriate information. You also have the option to specify a number of different aspects of the pledge, such as the time frame, as well as when reminders are sent. To import contributions from another source, click Import Contributions. The import tool will take you through a series of steps so that you can import your data and verify it was imported successfully. You can even connect your contribution database to your website using giving forms, so the information entered from giving forms on your website is automatically entered into the contribution database when contributions are made. To add a contribution form to your website, click New Contribution Page. The New Contribution Page tool will take you a series of steps to enter the information and code needed for the contribution page. Once complete, you will have code to add to your website, so you can accept donations on your website and have the contributions automatically recorded in the database. Let's take a look at what one of these giving forms looks like on a website. When an individual makes a contribution from your website and enters their payment information and hits Submit, the payment information can either be routed through an online payment gateway or securely transmitted to your CiviCRM database to be processed manually at a later date. The website can also be set up so that when contributions are made, member information associated with the contributor is automatically added to various pages on your website. CiviEvent. Many organizations bring their members together through events. With CiviEvent, tracking event registrations and attendance can be seamless and automatic. Clicking Events takes you to the event dashboard. The event dashboard shows you a summary of your events as well as attendance and any contribution levels associated with the attendance at the events. With CiviEvent, you can create events, register participants, find participants, and import participant records. To create a new event, click New Event. From here, you can enter the appropriate event information. To manually register a participant for an event, click Register Event Participant. On the Register New Participant page, simply enter their information to register them. You can also search event participants by selecting Find Participants. You can also import participant records from another source. The Import Participants tool will take you through a series of steps to import the participants as well as verify the data was imported successfully. Like with contributions, you can also add events to your website. From the event dashboard, you can select Configure on any events you've created. On the configuration page, select Online Registration. The online registration page will take you through a series of steps to add the event information and create the code necessary to put the event form on your website. Let's take a look at what one of these forms looks like on a website. When a member goes to your website and enters their member information, as well as their credit card information if the event requires a payment, and hit Submit, the payment information can be routed through an online payment gateway and processed automatically, or securely transmitted to the database to be processed manually at a later date. The website can also be set up so that as participants register, their registrations are automatically added to the website. CiviMail. CiviMail allows you to keep your membership up to date through e-newsletter mailings. With CiviMail, you can create new mailings, schedule mailings, and create custom mailing templates. To create a new mailing, click New Mailing. The mailing tool will take you through a series of steps to add content, then schedule or send the message. By selecting the parts of your membership you would like to mail, the mailing tool allows you to segment your membership by age, past participation in events, past contribution levels, or other user-defined criteria so you can send targeted messages. To schedule a mailing or edit scheduled mailings, click Schedule and Send Mailings. This will show a list of all the scheduled and sent mailings. To create a mailing template, click Message Templates. The Message Template area will allow you to add the text and HTML to create a customized mailing template. Finally, by adding a newsletter sign-up form to your website, the entire process can be automated such that mailings are distributed to your members. Your website automatically displays the mailing that was sent, and readers can sign up to receive mailings. CiviReport. Viewing reports of your membership and contributions are important to measuring the effectiveness of your campaigns. CiviReport offers numerous reports and gives you many ways to display your members and contributions. The report listings shows all of the available reports. There are contact reports, contribution reports, member reports, event reports, and pledge reports. The constituent report summary shows summary information of your constituents. You have the ability to define which information is displayed in the report, configure the report settings, as well as export the report in either PDF or Excel format. The donor report summary under Contributions Reports shows you a summary of the donations that have been made. You're also able to configure the report criteria as well as the report settings. The member report summary under Member Reports shows you a summary of your members. Like the other reports, you have the same ability to customize the settings as well as export the data. The Event Participant Report under Event Reports shows you a listing of the event participants as well as your events. You can view the events as well as configure the report settings. Under Pledge Reports, you can view the Pledge Summary Report, which will show you a summary of the pledges that have been made.